Today, I will show you how to add and use the MACD indicator on TradingView. If you aren't a TradingView user already, you can sign up for a free account using the link in the description, which will give you a free trial and a credit toward your subscription. To add the moving average convergence divergence, otherwise known as the MACD indicator to your chart, simply click Indicators at the top left. Start typing moving average convergence divergence, and you will see it appear. Just click on it to add it to your chart. Once the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, is added to your chart, you can customize its settings by hovering over the indicator name until the gear icon pops up, which you can then click to open the settings. You can change the lengths, but it is recommended to leave them at the default settings on 12, 26, and 9. Under Style, you can also change the colors of the lines if you wish. By default, the MACD line is blue, and the signal line is orange. The three main components of the MACD are the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. Let's break down what each of these represents. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average, or EMA, from the 12-period EMA. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's considered a bullish momentum shift. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's viewed as a bearish momentum shift. Next, the signal line, which is a 9-period EMA of the MACD line itself, acts as a trigger for buy and sell signals. This line smooths out the MACD line to help identify turns and changes in the trend more clearly. Lastly, the histogram, which is the bar chart plotted on the graph, visually represents the speed of the price movement. A growing histogram suggests an increase in momentum, while a shrinking histogram can indicate a slowdown in momentum. That will do it for this video. I hope it was useful. If you haven't already, consider signing up for a free TradingView account using the link in the description to start trading with the MACD for free.